Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Summoner's War Sky Arena error code C12. The error reads, "Failed to proceed, additional download. Please contact our customer support if the error persists." As per the reports, this error comes when players try to log in and the game asks to download additional content. The download usually starts, but fails midway and shows this error. According to our research, this error is likely related to storage issues or a problem with downloading the resource files. In some cases, the issue may also be from the server side. First, try clearing the game cache data and then relaunch the game to check if the error still comes. If the error still appears, then check your device storage. You might be running low on space, so make sure you have enough free space to download the additional files. If clearing cache and checking storage doesn't help, then uninstall the game and reinstall it. Then check for the error. If you still get the error after reinstalling, then it might be a server-side issue. We suggest you wait for a few hours and try again. In case the error continues for too long, you should contact game support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.